Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to align two tables vertically in Microsoft Word with precision and consistency. Vertical table alignments is essential when working on reports, assignments, forms, invoice, academic paper, and professional document, where table must appear perfectly aligned one above the another. Many users face issue where tables shift unexpectedly or don't line up correctly. This video demonstrates simple, reliable and professional techniques to align table perfectly vertically without distributing the overall document layout. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here I assignment. Now I go down on my assignment. Then we can see here a page. Now I go to the insert menu and create this table option. Now I am create two table, then resize the table, then click in down and make another table, then resize the table and move on the page. Now we can see here two table, but two table alignment is not furnished. Now I want to align this multiple table. At first select the table, then press and hold the shift and select the next table, then go to the design menu. Here align layout menu and here the align or many option. Now I am select this align left. Otherwise you can go to the design menu and we can see here many option. You can enable some option to this way. Otherwise you can go back the home menu and align the table on left, right or center. Now I am using this left align. Now we can see we align two table vertically very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.